Okay, scholars, today I'm gonna show you how to research your colleges and collect information so you can start making a good decision about where you want to go. So when you log into your CCP account, this should come up, your dashboard should come up. What I want you to do is go over to the colleges tab. Once in the colleges tab, you can add colleges to your list by going over here to the right and clicking on Add College to My List. You can search for a college. We're gonna say University Texas, and then your colleges will pop up. All you have to do is then click the plus sign, and that will add it to your list. I already have some on here, so I am going to go ahead and go over to these. So they will pop up over here on your right where it says your list of colleges. If I ever suggest a college for you, it'll be under your suggested colleges list, and all you'll have to do is click on the plus sign and to move it over to your list. So now once you have some colleges, so in this case, if you're going on a college trip, you want to add that particular college so you can start doing some research. So you're going to click here. Once you click on that, you will see all of this information. So the other thing I'm going to take you aside to do is, so that you can do your research, I want you to click on your Files tab. In your files, you should have a file that's called College Budget. It should probably have your name and it should say College Budget. Click on that, go to View Doc, and it's going to open up for you. So now you can use this document to help you do your research. There is a college info tab at the bottom of your document. So you'll see home, logins, activities chart. Click on college info. And also you can click on, scroll over a little bit, compare colleges. So those two are going to give you what you need. Let's say that the one we're looking at is UTD. You would type that into that first column. Over here, same thing, type that into the first column. And then this is gonna be where you can add your information. So location, you're gonna go back over here to your College Planner Pro, and you're gonna click on, let's see, we're gonna go to, yeah, we don't have UTB on there, but you'll click on whatever college you're researching, and you can find out that information by looking through here. There's 17,000 students. The total cost in-state would be for a Texas college. Out of state would be if it's a different college that's not in Texas. Find all your information here. You can use these to do further research, but all of your information should be able to come from here. One thing I would encourage you to do as you're doing this, on this left-hand side, you see there's other tabs. There's college notes. So if you want to make a note about something because you really like this about it or you really don't like this about it, you can click on this college notes, add a college note, and type something in. I really like the size of this college, or whatever you might want to say. You save that note, and now that shows up here. Down here is your degree programs, so you can click on that to see when you're doing your college research what they offer for degrees, and that can help you decide if that has something you're interested in. And the essay requirements, you won't need that until you're a senior, but if you're a senior, you can start looking at that as well. So again, you'll go back to your college budget sheet and add the information. So you can look for this information in there. The thing will be, if you have blanks because you can't find it, when you visit that college, that way you can ask those questions and start finding out more about that. Like, do you need an SAT or an ACT score? You need essays, you can find that on your college, your CCP. So all of this stuff allows you to ask your questions, find the answers, and then create questions. I would also encourage you to use your college notes part to create questions that you want to ask the college when you're there. This will give you a much richer experience at the colleges when you go on the college visits. And when you leave the college, you'll be able to open this up and add more information that you've gotten while you were there. So hopefully that helps.